Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss few 2 marks questions. So these are very important questions. ఈ వీడియో స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అలాగే ఇంకా మన ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. See the question number 1. A Poisson variable satisfies p of x equal to 1 which is equal to p of x equal to 2. Then find p of x equal to 5. See the solution. We know the Poisson distribution formula, that is p of x is equal to x which is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x divided by x factorial. So but here given p of x is equals to 1 which is equal to p of x is equals to 2. So just you can replace 1 by 2 in the equation. So here what will you get? E power minus lambda into lambda power x is what? 1. So which is divided by 1 factorial. Now which is equal to, replace x by what? 2. That is e power minus lambda into lambda square divided by 2 factorial. So clearly e power minus lambda cancel. So one of the lambda get cancelled. Now clearly which is what? 1 by 1 factorial means 1 which is equal to lambda by 2 factorial value 2. Therefore the lambda value is 2. So we can find p of x is equals to 5. So just you can replace x by what? 5. That is e power minus lambda into lambda power 5 divided by 5 factorial. Since what is lambda value? 2. So replace lambda by 2 which is e power minus 2 power 5 divided by 5 factorial means 120. That is product of the first 5 natural numbers. Now which is e power minus 2 into 32 divided by 120. So you can cancel with 8, 8 4s 32, 8 1s 8, 4 left 40, 8 15s. So which is equals to what? 4 into e power minus 2 divided by 15. So this is the value of p of x is equals to 5. Next question number 2. The mean and variance of binomial distribution are 4 and 3. Fix the distribution and also find p of x is greater than or equals to 1. See here, second solution. See here, we know that in binomial distribution, the mean formula, mean equals to np and variance formula, that is equals to npq. And given that mean is what? 4 and variance is what? 3. So first we have to find npq. After that we can find p of x is greater than or equals to 1. Now clearly divide equation 1 and equation 2. So what will you get? npq divided by np. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. So which is equals to what? 3 divided by 4. So np get cancelled. From this what is the value of q? 3 by 4. And we know that p is what? Probability of success and q is what? Probability of failure. And also the sum of probability of success plus probability of failure is always 1. That is p plus q equals to 1. From this p is equals to what? 1 minus q. So therefore p is equal to 1 minus what is q? 3 by 4. Therefore p is equals to 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. So this is the value of p and this is the value of q. Now substitute p value in equation 1. So here equation 1 implies n into p. that is n into 1 by 4, that is n by 4, which is equals to 4. Therefore, what is the value of n? 16. Now we can find p of x is greater than or equals to 1. P of x is greater than or equals to 1. We can write p of x is equals to 1 plus p of x is equals to 2 plus and so on. And we know that sum of the probability values are 1. So that is, we know that p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equals to 1 plus p of x is equals to 2 and so on. Sum of the probabilities are 1. Here we have p of x is equals to 1, p of x equal to 2 and so on. That can be written as what? 1 minus p of x equal to 0. So therefore, which can be written as 1 minus p of x is equal to 0. And also, we know that the binomial distribution formula, p of x is equal to x, which is ncx, p power x, q power n minus x. Now, which can be written as 1 minus. So, replace x by what? 0. That is nc0, p power 0, q power n minus 0, that is n. Now again, which is 1 minus, what is nc0 value? 1. And p power 0 value? 1. And q value, what is q? 3 by 4. Whole to the power of n. N is what? 16. So which is implies 1 minus 3 by 4 whole to the power of 16. So this is the value of p of x is greater than or equals to 1. Next, question number 3. This is also similar to previous one. If the mean and variance of the binomial variable x are 2.4 and 1.44, then find p of 1 less than x less than or equals to 4. See the solution. Given mean equals to what? 2.4, that is equals to what? np. This is equation 1. And also variance. So variance is given that 1.44, which is equals to what? npq. This is equation 2. Now divide equation 2 and equation 1. Equation 2 by equation 1, which implies, what is equation 2? npq, which is equals to 1.44. Divide by what? Equation 1. np. Divide by what? 2.4. Now, np get cancelled. So here, you can write 0 and cancel the 2 points. So here, this is 144 by 240. So therefore, q is equals to, so which is 144 divided by 240. So here, 16 nines, 144, this is 16, 116, 8 left, 80. That is 16 fives. Again, 3 threes, 3 fives, which is equals to what? 3 by 5. Therefore, the value of q is 3 by 5. Now, p is equals to what? 1 minus q, which is equal to 1 minus q is what? 3 by 5. 1 minus 3 by 5. Therefore, p is equals to 2 by 5. Now, substitute p value in equation 1. See here, equation 1 implies np is equals to 2.4. What is p value? 2 by 5. That is n into 2 by 5, which is equals to 2.4, which is 2 1.2s. 1.2 into 5. That is equal to 6. Therefore, the value of n is 6. Now, therefore, we can find p of 1 less than x less than or equals to 4. So, clearly, here the value of x is not equals to 1 because of there is no equal symbol, more than 1, and equal to 4 less than 4. Clearly, between 1 and 4, what are the values? One is p of x is equal to 2, plus P of x is equal to 3. But there is a equal symbol 4 also there. So write plus P of x is equals to 4, which is equal to, what is P of x is equals to 2. So by using the binomial distribution formula, P of x is equal to x, which is equals to ncx p power x q power n minus x. So replace x by 2, 3, 4. Next, n by 6, p by 2 by 5, q by 3 by 5. Substitute here. First, n is what? 6. 6 into p power x. What is p? 2 by 5. Whole to the power of x. X is what? 2. And q. What is q? 3 by 5. Whole to the power of n minus x. 6 minus 2. 4. Plus. Next 6c 3. Because of x is 3. 2 by 5 whole to the power of 3. And 3 by 5 whole to the power of n minus x. That is 6 minus 3. 3. Again plus 6c4, 2 by 5 whole to the power of 4 and 3 by 5 whole to the power of 6 minus 4, that is 2. So this is the value of p of 1 less than x less than or equals to 4. Next question number 4. For a binomial distribution, mean and variance is given. Find the first two terms of the distribution. First two terms means p of x equal to 0 is the first term. And second term is p of x equals to 1. So here again, mean, which is equal to 6. We know that mean formula is np. So this is equation 1. Next, variance. The given variance is what? 2. We know that variance formula is npq. Again, we can do the similar process. That is equation 2 by equation 1. That is npq by np, which is equals to 2 by 6. np get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 threes. Therefore, q equals to what? 1 by 3. From this, we know that p is equals to what? 1 minus q, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by 3. Therefore, the value of p, what is the LCM? 3. 3 into 1. 3 minus 1. 2. So the value of p is 2 by 3. Substitute p in equation 1. So here equation 1 implies n into p. P is what? 2 by 3, which is equal to 6. 2 ones, 2 threes. N is equal to 3 into 3, 9. Okay. Here to find first two terms of the distribution. First term is what? P of x is equal to 0. Again, you can apply the same formula. That is nc0, p power 0, q power n minus 0. nc0 value 1 and p power 0 also 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Q power n minus 0, that is q power n. Since what is q value? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 power n. N is what? 9. So this is 1 by 3 power 9. That is the first term of the distribution. And second one, p of x is equals to 1. So replace x by what? 1. That is nc1, p power 1, q power n minus 1. What is nc1 value? N into p into q power n minus 1. Since what is n? 9 into p. What is p? 2 by 3. Into q. What is q? 1 by 3. Whole to the power of n minus 1. 9 minus 1. 8. Okay. So this is 3 ones, 3 threes. And one more 3 cancel, which is 7. So which is equals to what? 2 by 3 to the power of 7. So this is the second term of the distribution. Next question number 5. The probability that a person chosen at random is left-handed? 0.1. What is the probability that in a group of 10 people, therefore n is equals to what? 10. And also given the probability that chosen at random is left-handed is 0.1. So clear, this is the probability of success, that is 0.1. And there is one who is left-handed, means we need to find p of x is equals to 1. See the solution. Given number of people n is equals to 10, and what is the probability of success? P is equal to 0.1. And what is the probability of failure? Q is equals to what? 1 minus p, which is equal to 1 minus 0.1. We will get 0.9. Therefore, the required probability P of x is equals to 1. What is the formula? NCX. X is what? 1. P power 1. Q power n minus 1. What is NC1 value? N. P power 1 is P and Q power n minus 1. N value 10 and P value 0.1, that is 1 by 10. And Q value 0.9, all to the power of 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 10 get cancelled. So which is what? 0.9 all to the power of 9. So this is the required probability. If you have any doubts in that, please comment. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.